be troubleshooting the headlight switch in this 2001 Ford F150. The issue is that when the headlamps are turned on, nothing happens. Because neither the parking lights or the headlamps are working when the switch is turned on, indicates that the problem is more than just a burnt out bulb. Additionally, I have checked the fuses for the headlamps just to verify that that wasn't the problem. And as you can see, both fuses are still intact. This led me to believe that the problem was with the headlamp switch itself. If you take a look at the lower portion of the headlamp switch, you'll notice that there is a small indentation. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver with a large head, and I'm going to very gently place that and pry that back. Now you have to be a little bit careful when you do this, because you have to remember that everything on here is plastic, and plastic will chip and break real easily, especially on a cold day like today. As you pull that out, you will notice a couple different wiring harnesses connected to that headlamp assembly switch. On the back of the wiring harness, there's a small tab that you need to push in before you pull, and that will slide out. And our second wiring harness also has a small tab. Now, sometimes you can take a look at the connection points on the back side of the switch, between the switch and the wiring harness, and you'll see that there is some corrosion that could be causing it to malfunction. To clean the contacts, you can try spraying some Amsoil's metal protector on the electrical contacts to help clean those. I tried that and it did not seem to solve my problem. After all the troubleshooting processes, it's evident that the headlamp switch itself has gone bad. To find a new headlamp switch, I will be going to autopartswarehouse.com. On the left side here, I will type in my vehicle, 2001 Ford F150, and the submodel on this particular vehicle we're working on is Lariat, and this is a 5.4 liter engine. So I'm going to go through here and type in Headlight Switch, and that's going to bring up several different ones. Now I need to locate the one that is the correct one for my vehicle. So I'm going to be reading some of the descriptions and also looking at the pictures. You'll notice here that this particular one controls the fog lights. I do not have any fog lights on this vehicle, so that is not the correct one. Down below I found one that does not control the fog lights, so this particular one is the one that I'm looking for. And I can verify just by taking a quick look at the pictures. It appears as the wiring harnesses are the same also. And then down below here I have some more information just so I can verify I am buying the correct part. After ordering my replacement headlight switch from Auto Parts Warehouse, a couple days later it arrived, and I'm now ready to complete my repair. Before attempting to install your new headlight switch, you want to verify that it is identical to the one that you are replacing. The installation process is done just in reverse as removing it. I'm going to locate my large wiring harness and line that up. Now it's only going to go on there one way, and I'm going to slide that on till I hear a click. And then we'll locate our smaller wiring harness, and again we'll make sure we line that up. Again, it's only going to go on there one way, and we're going to slide that in until we hear a click. And then we're going to position our assembly into place and slide that in. And the last thing we need to do is test to make sure that it works.